Hi guys, I'm not going to be filming my resin work today. I'm going to show you a few things I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do the pour off camera, and then I will be doing the demolding. But I'm going to try a couple of these, and what I'm going to use, BEEBEECRAFT sent me this double-sided tape a while back, and I thought, well, maybe I could try a couple of these by using the double-sided tape instead of using like tape or something to adhere it down. I would just use the double-sided tape. So I'm going to try that. And because they have this little thing right here, I'm going to have to put it off the thing a little bit some way so it'll lay even, but that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a little bit of the tape before I take the thing off to know I'll have enough room. And then I will peel back one side if I can get a hold of it. And then you're just going to try to get your little thing on it. And you might be able to just cut it around it and try to adhere it to it. Because that side's going to be sticky. I might do a couple more. I've got enough space in here. Because you don't want to fill up the little hole. Because whether I do earrings or necklaces out of these, you don't want to fill up the hole. So you might have to cut around it or something before, you know. But then you turn it over. And you take something hard. And you kind of press down on it and make sure it's got a good seal. And hopefully this will work as good as tape. So after I get everything done, I'll be back to do the demolding. I'll probably use some of these pretty colored things. Some of the molds, I don't know which yet. But I will demold what I do and then show you what I'm making out of. Okay guys. This is what we got. We're going to give them 24 hours. Take them out, see what happens. They might not be the prettiest things in the world, but hey, we tried. Had a little extra resin, so I used them in a mold I had. So we're going to see what happens, and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, let's get to demolding the resin molds that BEEBEECRAFT sent to me. I didn't really do anything exciting. I just used, you know, what they sent in the kit. And let's see what these things look like. Now, like this one here, I realize that you probably are supposed to do this one first and then leave this one empty and then put this one into this one and then pour more resin, but I didn't want to do that this time, so we're just going to see what they look like. So those are really cool. Now I do gotta say that I used this glitter that I had for the blue ones. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So I just went ahead and I did use some of the pigments that they sent. Got a lot of glitter. So say if we were going to do that, you would put this in there like that, and then you would pour clear resin, and then you would have a unique necklace or whatnot. So I think that's the way that works. Okay, and this one. It's cute. Whoa! I always lose them. So I would think you probably would put a little picture or something in there. Or you could anyway. And they do come out really easy. And you could dome that one if you wanted to. That's another like little picture album. And it's got some of that glitter in it. And I really do like that glitter. I'll have to get me some more of that. I got this at a thrift store, and it's Royal Blue Glitter by Go Create. So awesome. So guys, all the links to all these products from BEEBEECRAFT.com will be in my description box down below. Here's another one of these. Those are interesting, aren't they? But like I said, you know, you would use its partner. And I just made a necklace in that side of it with some of that glitter they sent and the sticker. And like I said, you would just, some way or another, or that I guess. Not really sure. Some way or another, maybe upside down. No, I don't know. I'd have to figure it out. I might have put too much resin in it. But anyway, and this is just, ooh, check that out. It's got a lot of sparkle. That's really pretty. And again, another one of those. I think you'd have to put it over that little hole. It would fit. And this one here, it was so tiny. I don't know. And I do have to cut some of that stuff off because I did overfill it because it was so little. And I couldn't get the pipettes to work too great. I think I got a couple of defaulty ones. They didn't want to. Yeah, I can get some of that resin and cut it off. Sometimes you can pull it off. Kind of cute though. I just gotta cut off my overpour. But this one was, like I said, really tiny mold. And look at these. I guess you could wear them for earrings. Okay, And this one. Ooh, look at that. Again, I need to cut that off. It's really easy to cut off when you haven't waited too long. See? It's really pretty. And again, this time I put the shiny side on that side. Or you could dome that side and use that one. Little tiny heart. That is so cute. Okay, and now the last one that I've got to do is the one where I use the double-sided sticky sheets. Not tape, like I said in that one part. But we'll see how these turn out. Oh, see if the sticky tape's coming off with it. Let's hope I can clean this up. Okay. Well, it worked nicely. It doesn't look too sticky. I'm thinking I can clean off any residue. Let's get one of the moons now. It is really sticky. Come on. A little over pour, but it comes right off, as you can see. So yeah, I think I can clean that off. That's cute. So that is all of those molds that they sent me. Well, the ones I used. I'm pretty sure I used all of them. And then I had a couple that I had already, so I'll go ahead and demold them. It's just like a crystal. Get the stickiness off of me. And I had never used this mold, so I wanted to see what it was like. I don't know, maybe you could put them together. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Like a big one. And I have to cut that because, see, I overfilled that. Whoops. Figured hang on to something this morning. And now you have an earring. And even though the necklace part is too big to slide onto, you can leave the jump ring open and put it over the necklace part. And then you have a pretty necklace after I clean it off. But anyway, this is what I got from BEEBEECRAFT, the kit. So I will link everything that they sent me in this project down in my description box down below. Go check out BEEBEECRAFT.com and check out everything in my links down below. Thank you for joining me today. I hope everyone's doing well. Have a great day, everyone. Blessed be y'all. Bye.